This is Masood here, and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Masood. Student, today we are going to learn some very important short speaking sentences. Try to speak them frequently, no matter whether somebody is listening or not. Let's get started. The very first one is, I'm going home for Christmas. I'm going home today. Send them later. May I borrow it now? Have you heard how John is? Is she going on a Monday? No, she's going on a Sunday. Take your hat off. Take your shoes off. Both of them left early. It was an accident. How extraordinary. Both of them came back. He was older than me. He plays very well. It was really good to be. Learn these short sentences by heart and prepare your mind to speak English. Thank you.